Hello, and welcome to the Figurines de Collection YouTube channel. Today, we present the brand new figurine from the Damtoys brand, a Russian Airborne Troops from the 45th Guards Spetsnaz Brigade who participated in the Battle of Hostomel Airport, also known as Antonov Airport, on February 24 and 25, 2022, the first days of the Russian army's invasion of Ukraine. No politics, just the test of this magnificent figurine with a detailed tutorial to help you assemble it easily, a little history on the terrible events of this battle, and many plans to highlight this Spetsnaz. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Do not hesitate to comment, to give me your opinion on this video or on the figurine. I will answer you as soon as possible. Enjoy watching and see you next time for many new things on the channel.
The 45th Guards Spetsnaz Regiment, an elite unit of the Russian Airborne Forces, or VDV, played a crucial frontline role in the daring assault on Hostomel Airport in the early hours of the invasion on February 24, 2022. Their mission, as the spearhead, was to quickly secure the strategic infrastructure to enable the massive landing of reinforcements and heavy equipment for an assault on Kiev. From the outset of the operation, elements of the 45th Spetsnaz Regiment were airlifted, often in initial assault waves by Mi-8 and Ka-52 helicopters, to neutralize Ukrainian air defenses and key strongpoints. Their superior training in special reconnaissance and close-quarters combat prepared them to engage the airport's initial defenders, primarily units of the Ukrainian National Guard. They were tasked with seizing control of the runways, control towers, and critical buildings. After landing under heavy fire, these special forces engaged in intense fighting to secure the perimeter and infrastructure. Faced with determined Ukrainian resistance and artillery counterattacks, the 45th Spetsnaz had to use all its skills to maintain its position. Although accurate reports were difficult to obtain, their expertise in special operations, survival in enemy territory, and fire coordination was essential in attempting to consolidate the beachhead. Their presence was intended to ensure that the airport remained operational for the landing of IL-76 transport aircraft. Although the runway was captured, the damage and fierce resistance thwarted the initial plan, preventing it from proceeding as planned. The battle for Hostomel, where the 45th suffered heavy losses, was an example of their forward-looking role, but also of the unforeseen challenges faced by Russia's elite forces.